A teen's room isn't just a place to sleep, it's a world of ideas, creativity, and personality. The best designs balance style, comfort, and function while reflecting who they are and who they're becoming. Today, we're exploring genius teen boy room ideas that turn ordinary spaces into inspiring environments, where studying, relaxing, and dreaming all come together effortlessly. We'll break it down into 3 core ideas: creating a smart layout, blending personal style, and optimizing every inch for both focus and fun. Whether the space is small or spacious, these concepts work for every teen who wants a room that feels truly their own. The foundation of a genius teen room is the layout. A well-thought-out setup maximizes space while keeping everything within reach. It's about designing zones: one for rest, one for study, and one for creativity or entertainment, so the room feels organized but never restrictive. Every element should serve a purpose. Use layout to define balance, an area to focus, a corner to relax, and open space for expression. The key is harmony between function and freedom. What's the most important thing in your dream room? Style, comfort, or technology? Tell us in the comments below. A teen room should tell a story, a reflection of personality, interests, and ambition. Whether minimalist or bold, every color, texture, and design choice contributes to that story. The goal isn't to follow trends, it's to create a space that feels authentic. Contrast can add energy. Calm tones can bring focus. Combining both creates visual depth, a place that feels inspiring and mature while staying creative and fun. A genius room isn't just stylish, it works smart. Every detail should make daily life easier, more efficient, and more enjoyable. It's about smart use of space, clever organization, and creating a flow that supports both productivity and relaxation. When the space adapts to the person, everything feels effortless. That's the real genius, design that inspires focus, creativity, and comfort in one cohesive environment. If these genius teen boy room ideas sparked your imagination, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone planning a cool room makeover. And there you have it, genius teen boy room ideas that combine personality, function, and creativity. A space designed not just to look good, but to feel good. A place to recharge, explore, and grow. Every corner, every color, and every detail has a purpose. For more creative room makeovers and modern home inspiration, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more design ideas. So whether it's for studying, gaming, or just relaxing, make it yours. Because a genius room isn't about size or stuff, it's about the ideas that live inside it.